Ever turned on auto rotate on your Samsung phone, but your home screen still refuses to rotate? That's because Samsung hides a separate setting for it. Let me show you how to enable landscape mode on your home screen in less than a minute. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Once you're inside the home screen settings, scroll all the way down until you find Rotate to Landscape Mode. Now simply turn that option on. And that's it. Your Samsung home screen can now automatically rotate whenever you turn your phone sideways. Not only the home screen, but even the app drawer will switch to landscape mode as well, making it much more convenient when using your phone horizontally. Pretty easy, right? If your home screen wasn't rotating before, this hidden setting was probably the reason. Give it a try, and you'll instantly unlock a whole new way to use your Samsung phone.